So here we are after our rainfall. It's been raining. Oh, good potty, Bo. It's been raining for a whole day now, and we finally had a break in the weather. Of course, the puppies did go out for potties this morning in the rain. They did not want to, but we've been teaching them their potty training, so of course, you know, they have to go outside and then right back in. So we have a little break after our rainfall. They've had their dinner, so they're out for a little play. And of course, they're just incredibly dirty, but they're very happy. And they'll go right back into their pen. And then they'll dry off and all the dirt will just fall off. And then they'll be ready to go again. And that's Finn. There's Bo. And Mama. She's cold. There's Daddy Caesar. And this white boy is Bailey. And he is my in-laws' schnauzer from us. He comes from a different line, but he's here for a little visit. So that's Bailey. And behind him is Lucy, Daddy Caesar. There's Sophie. Let me see if I can get a few of the others over here. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Okay. Now here we have, there's Emmy. She's the silver. Hi, Emmy. There's Finn. Hi, Bubby. There's Finn and Bambi. Her name is Benny now. And Benny's gonna go back to Beverly at Island Miniature Schnauzers and be part of Beverly's breeding program. There's Sophie. Hi, Soph. There's Bo. Let's see if we can find Keisha. I feel like she's behind me. Yeah, there she is. Hi, Keisha. Hi. You know your name, don't you? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. No bites. Good girl. Licks are good. Yeah. Off they go. So we're always training, as you guys know by now. So when they start nipping, we correct. Any bad behavior, we correct. So they know that's not okay. There's Finn. I'm gonna see if I can get them over here for another little run around. Come on, kids! Bop, 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 bop. Sophie. Puppy, puppy, puppy. And we let them sort that out themselves. Okay, they're all good now. Of course, if it escalates, then we intervene. But stuff like that, you know, they have to continue their thought and finish the process themselves. And that's just learning how to be a good doggy. There's Keisha. Hi, Keisha. Hi. You know your name. Yes, you do. Keisha. Good girl. See your facey. Good girl. Yes, good girl. And there's Emmy. Hi, Emmy. Good Emmy. There's Bo. Hi, Bo. Yes, you're handsome. Yes, you are. And there's Finn. There's our little Benny. And there's Sophie. Hi, Sophie. Oh my goodness, these kids are so wet. They're gonna sleep so good tonight. We'll put them back in their pen as soon as I'm finished this little video. And they're gonna pass right out. All right, you guys, well, the countdown's on now. I know it's just less than a week for some of you, and less than 2 weeks for some of you. So it's very exciting, and we are excited to meet you all. Thanks so much. Bye for now.